There are 5 policy-related changes in Core version 30, and in this video, we'll review what they are. The first change is the one that everyone has been talking about. The data carrier size and data carrier options have been deprecated, and the default data carrier size is now 100,000 bytes, which is the maximum size of transactions that get relayed. The second change is that multiple op return inputs are now allowed in a transaction. The cumulative length capped by the data carrier size option. Thus, if you're running Core version 30 and set the data carrier size to 83 as before, a transaction with two 40-byte op returns would still be relayed when they wouldn't have been in Core version 29. Further, there is no option to change this back to the behavior from Core version 29. Third change is that the minimum fee rate for relay transactions is now 0.1 sats per vbyte, down from 1 sat per vbyte. Thus, very low fee transactions will now be relayed by default when they weren't before. The fourth change is that for miners, the minimum fee rate required to select for a block is now defaulted to 0.001 sats per vbyte as opposed to 1 sat per vbyte as before. Lastly, transactions are now limited in how many signature operations they can do for relay, specifically 2,500 operations, which was not a limit before. This is not typical and is only put in as an anti-denial of service measure. To summarize, one option changes the default for mining block construction. The other 4 change the transactions that are relayed. One of the options won't practically change anything, as almost no transaction has over 2,500 signature operations. And the other 3 will permit previously non-standard transactions to be relayed by default.